Hello guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update. So presently I'm on vacation. That's the reason why I'm doing this particular video now, to complete what I did in the shop last before leaving. I'm on vacation. So uh actually this is supposed to be weekly update episode 18. So I didn't get to post this in the weekend, but during the weekday I'm going to post it. Before this one, I'll be coming the weekend what I'm up to for this my vacation and the traveling, what we are applying to proceed with the work we have been doing in the shop. I'll be letting you guys see it. So please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. You can like this video if you really enjoying it, for good video that will be coming, interesting video, and lovely tutorial that will be of help to you. If you know this will be of help to people that are close to you, please share this channel with them. And I think that is all. Thank you guys for being here, for watching, and expect interesting video coming on this channel. Stay tuned, and I love you guys all. Bye, and I will see you when I finish. Hello guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update, episode 18. I think so. So this should be episode 18. So lately we have been working in the shop, but I didn't get time to vlog, so I decided to vlog right now because it was towards evening. As you can see the dates at as you can see the time is almost, this is to 6 already, so I'm just doing the weekly update now. So we have done a lot of work in the shop that I didn't get to vlog, and we've sent most of them out, but I will start the vlog right now. So as you can see, some bags are here, some what is it called, man purse and souvenir are here. So I will talk about it now and show you more of it. As you can see, let me take it to here to be clear a little bit. So part of the thing we make in the shop, by the way, and we made some small purse I was wearing. My apprentice made this is for someone. So rate it. Let me see guys, rate this and let's see who did the best. This is number, I will name it, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is also number 2. The same person did this, number 2. It was supposed to have a what is it called, a strap, but the material is not enough to make a strap, because this material I gave them to work with is a off-cut material, so it's not enough. So this is 3. Hope you guys are seeing it clearly. So rate it for me and let me know in the comment section below, so that I can talk to them as well, that the viewer rates them, and later on maybe you get to meet them if I feel like you are supposed to know them, or if they are interested in showing themselves online or in the weekly update. So by the way, these bags are still here. Those are African inspired bags we made. So by the way, without no further ado, I will talk more about most of these things I just show you now. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, leave the post notification bell on so that you get notified when we upload an interesting video. Thank you guys for those who have been watching our video. You see, those videos that came back to back, those are very good videos. We want to keep making that, but you only can help us to keep making that when you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And when you share this with people you know, it will be of help to them. And leave in the comment section below if you are enjoying all the weekly updates and all the projects we have been doing. Please let us know. And if you have a new project you want us to do, let me know. Even if I have other work I have to do, but I will consider your project and get the necessary material and work on them to show you guys how you can make it. So by the way, that's just it. I think now I will turn the camera around and talk about everything I've shown you now. So stay tuned to watch this to the end of the vlog, and I shall see you on the other side. Hello guys, good day and welcome to another new video. Oh no, this is weekly updates episode 18, I think so, 17 or 18. So but if I check I will know. You know, it's not easy to keep track when you have a lot to do. So by the way, as you can see on the board this week, there are more things on the board. As you can see, we have this small wallet we've made before, but we make the small one of it, which is the smaller size. As you can see, this has just a zip at the front, but the normal one we make before is this particular. It has a zip at the back, then another zip at the front. This is open. So this one I just finished showing you is my apprentices that are working on it, so I gave them assignment to make that. And by the way, if you can still remember this post I did way back a few weeks ago, so it's still here. And I have some stock I made for some people that are ready to be sent to them on the decks. As you can see, those bags are still there on the decks. Everything is still the way it used to be in my dust bag. Those are supposed to go inside the dust bag. They were inside. If you watch the last or previous weekly update before, they were inside the dust bag, but I removed them back. The clients came for specifications, so I showed them, and that's why they are still out. So talking about this post I made, so this is it. Some of them did well. One did this, another one this, so another one did this. So this is just like a material we have, like waste material, so I keep them, those off cuts, I keep them for my apprentice to work on them. So this is what they've made so far, as you can see. Then we have another bag we make this week here for a apprentice as well. She's really doing good. She just came in let me say 3 weeks ago, but now she has started making this, even though there are some error in the work, like this particular side now. So tomorrow when she came, I'm going to show her this. She should amend it. That is just an error I just saw now. So going back to the board, as you can see, the bag we make, this particular one, which are those African inspired fabric bags, are still there. So we have another post there which is new. Then we have another one down here. So this down one here is this particular bag. Let me take this out if you can. Oh, don't mind me the way I'm doing this weekly update. If don't mind this bag, if you still remember the bag, I have started using the bag. Before, I normally used to use the bag. I made a lot of it, sell some, so I keep this for myself. I'm still using it. I just use it to bring back some stuff, so let me hang it on my bag to film the video. So this particular one you are seeing down here, this is the specification of this particular bag. So it has a front pocket with this zip here. Then it's just 2 zip, actually, not like the one I normally put a lot of zip. So as I've said, a apprentice made it, but at least she tried, because in 3 weeks, if you can make something like this, that's why we ask people to come for physical training. We give you the best training money can ever buy. And we also do online training as well, so you will find the links in the description below. Our WhatsApp is also there. You can chat me up if you really want to learn. It doesn't matter, you don't have to come for physical. We make a video to send to you. We tell you everything in depth, go deep down, the key points, the key things you need to know, and talk about it. So going back to it, so as you can see, you can screenshot this if you want. That's the specification for the particular bag we just finished talking about. So this one we've made it, and this particular post you are seeing here is also this is the specification as well. So let me like film this a lot, go close a little bit so that you can see. You see the way they made it. It's supposed to have 2 zip, but I asked them to put 1 zip because the other zip is a little bit complicated since they just started newly a few weeks ago as well. So that's just the thing we have been up to for the week. Up here we have another souvenir man purse, or let me say like toiletry bag for clipper. So that's the specification there, and it is the one we made this week. We make a lot of it. I wanted to even make a video on how to make this before, but there is no time for me. I was not around, so my apprentice and some of my workers asked to make this. Like previously, I used to say in some of the video that sometimes we work, I won't get to film the video for sometimes I may not even be around for a week, that will work and send the work, and I won't even take picture of the work. So this is one situation of it. Today now I have to delay this work because I want to use it to film the weekly update. We are supposed to send it today, but I have to delay it. But still today I will take it there myself. The delivery guy was supposed to take it earlier this morning, but I have to call the client yesterday that it will be ready by evening today. So I should be taking that myself. And if I'm talking about evening, as you can see now, this is 6 o'clock. So I'm just starting the weekly update. So that is one of the things we did in the shop. So we did a lot of things as well, but some of them are no longer here. We send, and I can't start talking about it since we don't have the picture here. That bag is still here, as you can see. Everywhere is just, we've been working lately. We've been very, very busy lately. But by the way, I won't want to bore you guys with most of this thing I'm saying. If it's not of use to you, please let me know so I can stop it and talk about something interesting that will be of use and help to you guys. Let me know in the comment section below on what you think. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Leave the post notification on so that you get notified when we upload a interesting and good tutorial video apart from this weekly update. Leave it in the comment section below if you have anything you think, or any bag or any project you want us to do. Share this with people you know it will be of help to them, and we shall see you as we continue.